Hi, my name is Adam Harrell, and I'm the Director of Instruction for the Jim McLean Golf Academy at Weston Hills Country Club. What I'd like to talk to you about today is the delivery position. This is a position that you attain right before you get into the hitting area or right into the impact zone. Let me show you what the delivery position looks like. From the top of your backswing, the delivery position is that point where the club shaft is parallel to the ground on your downswing position, and it looks like this. Here's some things you should look for to get into a proper delivery position. The right elbow and the right knee have kicked in right against this line that you see on the ground. A big mistake that people make at this point in the swing is that they get the elbow stuck behind their body, and or they don't have the proper amount of leg drive into the hitting zone. You'll see a lot of people who are back on their right leg at this point, or have already let the club go too early, and thus their right elbow is behind their body. So being able to get into a good delivery position, which is all the top players do, will help you deliver the club with some power and accuracy. Again, the right knee and the right elbow have kicked in front of your body, in front of this line. The club shaft is parallel to the ground. The hands have gotten back to the golf ball. And then from here, you can deliver the club powerfully to the golf ball. If you get into this delivery position, I promise you, you'll hit longer, straighter shots.